It's that time of year when rate notices will start to appear in your letterbox. So I wanted to take the opportunity to update you about what we're going to be spending your money on this year. So Council was really conscious of the fact that people's finances are particularly tight in our community this year. So we wanted to make sure that our budget reflected that and that we didn't put undue burden on our ratepayers. So what we've done is adopt a budget which has only a 0.9% rate rise, and this is in alignment with CPI for WA and is actually the lowest rate rise that the town has had in over a decade. To also reduce the rate burden, the town has managed to secure over $3 million in grant funding to help us to complete some of the projects that we want to deliver to our community this year. So last year we undertook our community strategic planning process. We got lots of feedback from you in the community about the things that were important to you and the priorities that you wanted us to deliver in Bassendean. So we've taken on board that feedback and reflected it in the budget for this year. So we heard people say that greening Bassendean was really important to you. So this year we're going to be planting about 3 times as many street trees as we have in previous years. We're also employing an arborist to help us care for the urban forests that we're planting, and we're purchasing a new watering truck to make sure that our trees live and flourish. We also know that it's important to our community that we're responsible with our waste and that we reduce the waste that we're producing. So we're going to be introducing the 3-bin system, which is best practice for reducing waste. So we're purchasing the bins this year and it will be rolled out in July of 2019. We also know that you expect us to be responsible with the environment, and we want to show leadership in the area of sustainability. So in recognition of this, we're introducing some new sustainability initiatives, including the town's first electric car charger, as well as joining in with the Switch Your Thinking program and offering Climate Clever program to our local schools. We're also starting a new grants program where community groups who've got ideas for sustainability initiatives can apply for funding to help them to deliver the new projects. We've got some big projects that are also going to be commenced this year. Finally, we're going to start construction of the men's shed now that we've found a home for it on May Holman Drive. We also have committed to the restoration of the 1 Surrey Street building, and this is going to be a new community space. It will also house the infant health clinic. Finally, we'll also get the Mary Crescent Nature Playground. This has been a while coming, but this will also have features like barbecues and new water fountains that will really enhance Mary Crescent for the people that live in that area. Eden Hill will also be getting another small playground in Pabbury Park that we're hoping to get the community involved with designing and constructing. We're also going to get a new toilet facility at Sandy Beach Reserve, and for those of you who use that space, that's really needed in this location. Thanks to some state government grants, we've also got a couple of Safe Active Street projects that are going to be delivered this year. This includes the Whitfield Safe Active Street and also a new principal shed path along Broadway that's going to improve access to the Bassendean train station. In Success Hill, we're going to be looking after the river foreshore there by putting in a new spillway to prevent further erosion of the riverbank in that location, and that reserve's also going to get new CCTV and lighting to help with security. In addition to all these projects, of course, we're going to keep delivering the high quality core services that the town always delivers, looking after our roads and footpaths and reserves. And we're also going to continue to deliver the vibrant community events program that our community enjoys throughout the year and that brings everybody together. So I want to take this opportunity to thank you all for your contribution that allows us to deliver these services and projects to the community, and particularly to those of you who've played a part in helping us to come up with these plans. Thanks a lot.